Welcome to Cooking with Ace. Tell me your name.
I'm Kyla.
How old are you, Kyla?
15. Wait,
What?
did you say how am I or how old am I?
How old are you? I said,
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm awkward.
it's okay. It's my niece. She's my sous chef. And I got guns, so don't be looking that hard, for real. But what we're going to be doing today, you remember what we're doing?
We're making sauce for the lobsters, crabs.
We're doing a creamy garlic sauce. That's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna be the instructor. My sous chef is gonna do everything. Today's venture has been brought to you by Crown Royal Apple. You want one? Good answer. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and drop them sticks of butter in there.
Okay.
Yeah, both of them. Now we're gonna take that olive oil. We're gonna pour it in there too, so that the butter doesn't burn. It's about a tablespoon or so. Probably need a little more because we're using extra butter and stuff. Yeah, but we're gonna let that melt down just a little bit. Just a little bit. And after we let this melt down a little bit, then we are going to add that's about a quarter onion diced up. She diced it herself too. Right, you know what I mean? Not yet. But, I'm just letting them know that you are the one that diced it. Okay? And shout out to my niece and her natural hair. Okay? Because that natural is popping. She just don't understand it yet. She'll figure it out a little bit later. Okay, let's mix this around just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. That's about halfway. So now we are going to add those cups of onion. Yep, that's one. Let's see, like I said, it's about a quarter yellow onion. We're gonna mix that around all nice like. And we're gonna sweat those down. And as y'all can see, it's 2:04, but we do what we wanna do when we wanna do it. Now that we've got this all sweated down, do it with me. Smell good, don't it?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our 2 cups of minced garlic. You can use extra fresh garlic. You can dump it in there. You can use extra fresh garlic if you want to, but I just feel like at 2 o'clock in the morning, while on God's green earth, am I gonna chop up some garlic, and I already got a whole thing of minced. All right, let's get some more spins in. I almost forgot to tell y'all, you also need some chicken broth. Okay, so look, I got some chicken broth. Okay, but I do not have my measuring cup because y'all know I'm used to eyeballing at work. You know, I'm an 80s baby. I grew up on Master P, UGK, 8 Ball. Thuggish, Zero. You know, all that good stuff. So, basically, I grew up in a drug dealer's age. So, you got to eyeball at work. Oh, and shout out to my Uncle Fresh. Because he's the reason that I know about drugs and stuff. But if it wasn't for him and teaching me about drugs, he didn't really teach me because he didn't know. But, that's another story for another day and stuff. But, yeah, he's the reason that I know. So now what we're going to do is add the basil. And again, you can use parsley if you like. Yeah, but we're going to add that, going to mix that thing in there. Look at those colors. It's 2020. Why don't we have a smell-o-vision phone yet? Have you thought about that?
Yes.
Thank you.
I wish we had that.
Right? Because y'all missing all these good smells. Now, what you want to do is grab that heavy whipping cream. Let's open that up.
All of it?
No, not all of it. You finna learn. Look, you finna learn this eyeball technique. Okay, you ready? That means I want you to pour a quarter of it. So this is how you figure out your quarters. The whole bottle makes a whole, and it makes one, right? So if we're gonna split this up into even quarters, then it'll be 4. So this is probably
Like right there?
No, that'll be like 2 quarters. Like this
Here?
is from here to here, probably be 1. Well, yeah, about there. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. See, so you can kind of use them lines.
Okay.
So do about
So we're
a
just
quarter.
doing 1
Yeah.
quarter? So it's right here?
Yep. So you're gonna learn this eyeball technique because I don't know nothing about using measuring cups.
I'll help you. I bake. Is that?
Is it enough? Yeah, you about dead on the money. Man, look. This was the 90s. We were trying to get you ready to sell dope. But now we're all about education, cheerleading, and going to college. Yep. Okay. It's been sitting for about 6 to 8 minutes. Set the perfect consistency that we want because we're actually going to be using this for fried crab legs or something. So y'all gotta watch that video later. This is what we're looking like. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision phones, man.
They exist?
Yes.
How much are they?
I don't know. I just made that up. They're not real.
Got him!
Thank you for playing.
I really want one though.
Yep, and yep, that's it. That's it, that's all. That's what we got. Like I said, we're all done. Yeah. Oh, if you want to get fancy schmancy, and that's just if you want to get fancy schmancy, you can take you some mushrooms and throw some mushrooms like my boy Henry says.
That Trisnic thing.
But now I'm saying it. In that Trisnic thing. Woo, woo. And then you're fancy now. You can use this sauce over a pasta.
That's what I'm doing.
She's gonna use it over a pasta. Over what kind of pasta you gonna make?
Shrimp pasta.
Shrimp pasta with the creamy garlic sauce. And again, all you gotta do is lower your heat and stuff like that and let it rest a little bit. And it'll thicken up and stuff. So the more heavy whipping cream is the thicker it's gonna get. Season it to taste. All right, get that set in, and it's about that time. I'm horrible with goodbyes. You wanna say goodbyes, giving shout outs, social media plugs, handles, where to follow yous on the follow yous.
No?
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can follow me on all social media platforms from Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Is there anything I'm missing? Nope, that's it.
TikTok.
Yep. Don't do TikTok. All of them are at Culture Catering. Again, that's at Culture Catering. Because me and my brother Baby C, aka the Big Mardi Gras, aka the Big Enchilada. Y'all know we cater. Holla at us. You know what I mean? Follow us. Check out some of our work and horrible with goodbyes. So
That'll do, pig. That'll do.